The Community Academy engages preschool through 12th grade youth in authentic educational projects that are hands-on, nature-based, and involve community partnerships in which students collaborate with their peers, teachers, and professionals to enact positive change in their community. The Community Academy strives to help students on the road to a full, happy, and productive life. Our programs are intended to develop people who are curious inquirers, creative and collaborative problem solvers, purposeful and effective communicators, and mindfully engaged community members. We want our students to be prepared for the next steps in their journey, no matter where it takes them. Your donation to the Community Academy supports multiple important causes. You'll drive impactful youth development, including those youth from families with fewer resources. You'll create stakeholder-driven environmental change in our community. You'll build community collaborations that enhance the work of nonprofits and organizations throughout our area. And you'll improve public education through the professional development of local teachers who work at the Community Academy and learn to implement community project-based learning.